Morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. We had done the ellipse. Now the next topic, that come on, write it. Then topic is given as hyperbola. Hyperbola. So as the name suggests, you get two parabolas confronting to make a one hyperbola. Okay, this is one type and this is the other type. So this axis is called the transversal axis. This is called the conjugate axis. Okay, transversal and conjugate, or you can simply write out here, this is the vertices, this is the focus, and for this type of ellipse, hyperbola, you have like in major axis, na? Major axis out here, major axis you can tell it be conjugate axis, and minor one will be called as transversal. Okay, same concept out here, this is the vertices and this is the foci. Okay, same notations will follow, same notations. Okay, foci will be c comma 0 minus c comma 0, this is the vertices, minus a comma 0 and minus, sorry, a comma 0 out here. Okay, here we don't have much relevance of this b. Okay, 0 comma c, your vertices out here will be 0 comma a and 0 comma minus a. Now according to this, the definition will be the difference. Let a point be out here, let this be f1 and f2. Okay, your collection of all the points, the definition basically is collection of all the points from pf1 minus pf2 will always be a constant. When this is always a constant, then the figure obtained is called a parabola, and a hyperbola is when you mix up this thing. Okay, whenever the difference between the moving point with the first focus and the second focus is same, the difference is, then it's called a hyperbola. Okay, this sort of equation is called that x square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to 1. And the second type, the horizontal, the vertical one, vertical hyperbola, is given by y square by b square, y square by a square minus x square by b square is equals to 1. Okay, so that's it. Now one more thing out here, this you have to keep in mind out here, a square plus b square is equals to c square. Okay, and length of lattice rectum both are same in this, 2b square by a. And one more thing we have to keep in mind, e is always greater than 1 out. Okay, once we do one numerical, everything will be clear. Please copy all of those, go back and copy. I'll do one numerical for you. Exercise 11.4. They have told you to calculate the same old things we calculated in that ellipse. Okay, so this is not difficult to find out which, this is just, so you can write standard equation of hyperbola is given by x square by a square minus y square by b square is equals to 1. So comparing these two equations, equation 1 and 2, we get a value as 4 and b's value as 3. Clear? Once we get these values, we have to do is we have to calculate c out here. C is given by root over a square by b square. So c out here will be 5 after having putting these values. Okay, and c is equals to a, same as that ellipse. So your e will be how much out here? 5 by 4. This is your e. So first part is done. Second part is your vertices. Your vertices out here will be plus minus a comma 0. Plus minus a is 4 comma 0, and the third one is your foci. Foci is given as plus minus c comma 0, plus minus 5 comma 0. Eccentricity you have already found out, 1. Length of lattice rectum will be given by the fourth part is 2b square by a. Put the values, you get the answer. This is all you had to do. Okay, this is easier than the ellipse one because it's not confusing out here that which is a and which is b. Second equation is this one, y square by 9 x square by 27 is equals to 1. Same old concept you have to use, but don't forget this formula, c square is equals to a square plus b square. Okay, out here your a will be 3, b will be root over 27. Okay, yk नीचे is always a. Just keep in mind that thing, yk denominator में it always will be a. Okay, once you're done with this, question number 3, 4 will be as similar as these things. Okay, even question number 5, question number 6 till question number 6 all are the same. Okay, 1 to 6. So the change in type is starts from question number 7. Out here vertices has been given to you, the reciprocal one, plus minus 3 comma 0. So you know vertices is given by, so you know a is equals to 2 and vertices c is equals to 3. Okay, so which type of hyperbola is this? X square by a square plus minus y square by b square is equals to 1. So you know c has been given to you, so formula c square a square plus b square, we know this, and then the standard equation of hyperbola is given by this. So you calculate b from here, and then once you get a and b, you substitute it out here. Okay, the most important thing is to find out which axis, which type of hyperbola it is. Okay, this is this sort of a hyperbola. Okay, if in case the vertices would have been, let's say 0 comma plus minus 3 na, then you know that vertices is out here, then obviously this will be a y square by b a square y b is equals to 1. Okay, okay, so that's it for this today. Next day we will complete this hyperbola portion. I hope you understood today's class. Question number 10 till question number 10 all the numericals are same. I would prefer to read, for you to read the question once and you know then solve it, then it will be easier for you, and then you should make sure you keep a book in front of you and keep the screen in front of you and you'll be good to go. Okay, so that's it for today's video. If you have any problem, just let me know. Okay, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.